Hi everyone! Today I want to show you a pumpkin crepes recipe. These pumpkin crepes are perfectly thin, soft and tender, with a warm cinnamon vanilla aroma in every bite. They make the perfect cozy breakfast for a crisp morning. Join me in the kitchen and let's see how easy to prepare these delicious pumpkin crepes. Let's get started! In a mixing bowl, combine the dry ingredients. 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of white granulated sugar, half teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and pinch of salt. Feel free to add any other spices you enjoy. Next, add 2/3 cup of pumpkin puree, 2 medium eggs, and gradually pour 1 cup of milk. And mix everything well until smooth. Then add 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil, or any oil you prefer, and mix everything again. Let the butter rest about 10 minutes. Now heat a nonstick skillet and pour about 1 small ladle of butter. Turn the pan immediately from side to side to form an even circle. Cook over medium heat about 1 minute per side or until lightly browned. Remove from heat and stock until ready to serve. I love filling these pumpkin crepes with cream cheese filling, but you can serve them with your favorite toppings. And there we have it! Delicious, soft and tender treats, perfect for breakfast, brunch or as a sweet snack any time of day. I hope you like this recipe. Thank you for watching.